In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your inbox in Gmail on your PC. Whether you're working on an important project, waiting for a significant update, or just trying to keep your inbox organized, refreshing Gmail is crucial to ensure you're up to date with your emails. Let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. Once you're there, navigate to the Gmail website by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. If you're not already logged in, you'll be greeted with the Gmail login screen. Here, type in your email address and hit Next. Go ahead and enter your password now and press Next again to log in. Once you successfully log in, you'll find yourself in the Gmail interface. The familiar setup includes your inbox taking center stage on the right and your list of folders and categories to the left. Now, to manually refresh your inbox, look for the circular arrow icon in the upper left corner of your screen, right above your list of emails. This icon is a universal symbol for refresh. With a simple click on this button, your inbox will refresh, and any new emails that have arrived will be displayed prominently at the top of your inbox. But what if you'd prefer not to constantly click refresh? Gmail typically refreshes your inbox automatically, so make sure you give it a moment to update on its own. However, if you really want to ensure you're seeing the latest email communications, it's handy to know that hitting the F5 key on your keyboard will refresh the page in many web browsers, including Gmail. Why is refreshing important? Emails might be arriving without any notification due to browser settings or network delays. Refreshing your inbox solves this issue. Furthermore, if you're experiencing connectivity issues or technical faults like your interface freezing, refreshing typically reestablishes a stable connection. Finally, if your inbox isn't refreshing properly, check your internet connection first. Verify your browser's version. Having an outdated browser may hinder Gmail's ability to update seamlessly. Clearing your browser cache and cookies might also resolve persistent refresh issues, freeing memory and removing potentially corrupted files. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge and skills to ensure your Gmail inbox stays updated on your PC, keeping you on top of your emails at all times. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical digital tutorials like this one. Have a great day and happy emailing.